Do you see some common legal risks that small businesses overlook when it comes to employment law? Are there sort of simple things sometimes SMEs or small, medium-sized businesses do that are actually quite simple?
I think I probably sort of touched on it earlier. I think one of the biggest problems I see SMEs and any other business having is not having good procedures in place to tackle when someone's performance falls below par. Where I see employers that have really good processes to tackle performance and have proper support in place to pick it up, give them the support they need, some extra training, those employees very often go on and thrive in that business. Whereas the businesses that leave matters too long to the point where it's irreparable, you know, then they end up with a problem on their hands, and then there's a, you know, they want to get rid of them, but there's a dismissal claim, and they don't want to spend the next 6 months going through performance management. So I think that whole just being a bit more open and honest about, you know, where performance needs to be versus where it is, they could do a lot more in that area. What else do they often get wrong? I can't, you know, it's so many different things. I think sometimes, very often, I will see the root cause of a problem being a particular manager or a particular style of management. And sometimes I think, you know, if that were tackled early on and perhaps that manager was given a bit more training, or you know, they were sort of had some sort of session to sort out whatever the problem is, then you find there might be 5 employees who've all sort of had the same issue with a manager, but no one really looks at upskilling the manager in that scenario. I think a lot of people end up in management positions without really having had proper management training or some mentoring as to what being a good manager looks like. And I think if employers invested a bit more in that side of things, potentially a lot of problems could be avoided as well.